All right, so Mr. Luke.
Hello, hello.
How was your experience?
Professor Bharat.
Yeah.
Really appreciate. I didn't expect. Because the curriculum is only this much, but you touch everywhere in the world. You went extra mile, Appreciate, I owe you. I owe you the world because you touch everywhere in the world, yeah? The syllabus this much, but you touch everything. Really appreciate. Appreciate your time and effort.
Thank you.
Really appreciate that.
And you feel confident that you can do it?
Beautiful. I start a new job bigger than this one.
No, that's great. Beautiful. So now, if you are working, you want to work from home or a job or something, how confident you are that, okay, yeah, I can do it? Or
100.
100%.
100% confident, yeah.
That's great. Anything I could have done better on this thing?
No. Appreciate. All good. Beautiful.
No, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you all came and spent time with me and trusted me. That's really great.
Appreciate. I recommend. Highly recommend the professor. Bharat, yeah. Appreciate.
Thank you. Thank you.